Monzoticscom Review 2025 What you should know before you buy. Honest buyer awareness. Most people get this wrong by trusting new online stores without researching. The surprising truth is that Monzoticscom appears legitimate, but buyer caution is necessary. The site offers home and lifestyle products with eye-catching visuals. You won't believe how attractive the product photos are, but some items have limited reviews or unclear specifications. Shipping is available worldwide, but delivery times vary. Some buyers report delays or communication gaps. The surprising truth is that even a legit website can have operational issues. Always verify return policies, read reviews, and start with small purchases. Avoid overspending on unverified products. In conclusion, Monzoticscom is a legitimate online store with stylish offerings, but buyer awareness is crucial. Research, check reviews, and proceed cautiously to ensure smooth transactions and satisfaction.